This is the Navee ST3, and it might just be the ultimate e-scooter. With 1,000 watts of power, a top speed of 25 miles per hour, and a range of 37.3 miles, this thing is built for adventure. But is it actually worth it? Let's put it to the test. First off, this thing just looks sleek and modern. The ergonomic handlebar feels super comfortable, and all the controls are right at your fingertips. Brakes, throttle, and even the mode switch. What's your favorite part of this design? Let me know in the comments. Here's the display, nice and big and bright. You can see the speed, the battery levels, and then if you double tap the power button, you could change the different modes from walking, drive, or sport mode. And this is how the front of the scooter looks. It has your dual brakes, your headlamp, your reflector. This is where the bell is, nice and loud. Here's your turn signal. You press it and it switches with the lights on and off. It's very loud. And this is how the stem looks. Alright, let's see what 1,000 watts of power feels like. Whoa, that's instant torque. This thing takes off fast. Yep, we just hit top speed. This thing moves. A lot of scooters struggle with hills, but the Navee ST3 powers through like a champ. But how far can it really go on a full charge? Let's test that next. So you can see how fast the Navee goes up the hill without any hesitation, and then you can see how I'm coming back around and I still blaze by going downhill, going even faster. But this thing's a beast. The battery lasts a long time and it's very fun to ride. With a few kicks and then I'm off. So take a ride with me as I take this beast on a ride, and let's see how far that it could take me. And you can see automatically this thing wants to go at least 20 miles per hour. With a range of up to 37.3 miles, this scooter is built for long rides. So let's see how it holds up. After riding for a few minutes, you can see that the battery is still going strong, and you can see how the top speed is still going up to the 25 miles per hour. That's a very fun speed, but at times I will have to slow down because I get a little nervous for the bumps, but I'm still keeping that speed up there. And now I'm just going to start to slow down just to save the battery a little bit. I've been riding for a while and I still have battery left. If you're commuting or just cruising around town, this thing got you covered. Drop a comment. What's the longest ride would you take on an e-scooter? E-scooter even handles off-roading pretty well, so you can see that I'm going on this dirt road here and it's still handling. The dual dampers works perfect here and you barely feel the bumps on the ground, so this is fun. With advanced TCS, I can ride over different surfaces without worrying about slipping. Super stable. And check this out. The suspension makes bumpy roads feel so much smoother. These dampers help smooth out all the bumps when you're going off-roading and even when there's bumps on the sidewalk. And they even have these tail lights that help you out in the nighttime to let the people know about the brake. And this board is very wide. Even at high speeds, the braking is super responsive. No jerky stop, just smooth control. One of my favorite things, it folds up in seconds, making it easy to carry and store. So is the Navee ST3 worth it? If you want power, speed, and comfort in one package, this is a solid choice. Check the link in the description to grab one for yourself. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.